Creating content is suck. Well, it could suck if you don't have a proper system to handle the entire process. I mean, every creator has been there, trying to keep up with posting schedule, content ideas, and engagement strategies. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline your entire content creation process? Well, anything is possible with Notion. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Notion as your content manager. You can get this template from the link in the description below. It's absolutely free. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos from me. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you see here is the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. I've designed this template to be super user-friendly, so even if you're new to Notion, you can get the hang of it quickly. First, let's dive into the shortcut button. Here, you can add a new social media platform just by clicking on the button and start putting in some information. For example, you can add Pinterest as your new platform. Then, you can upload the logo, and also you can insert the link to your Pinterest account. Every new platform data will be displayed here. But I don't want to use Pinterest because I already created other social media platforms, so I'm just going to delete it. Now let's move to the content calendar. This is where you can map out your content schedule for the month. You can see all your upcoming posts and deadlines and even plan out your content strategy. Every content will be categorized under 4 types, which is draft, shooting and creating, editing, and final touch-up. To start planning your content, click on the second button here. There will appear a new information box that you need to fill up the information. First, rename it, and then choose the platform you want to publish your content. Set up the publish date, and for the status, you can pick from draft, shooting, editing, or final touch-up, and finally select the content type. That's it. Every new content you've created will be listed here and categorized under the status. Every content will turn out to be overdue whenever you miss the publish date, and every overdue content will be sorted out and notified here on the left side of the template, so you can easily check out which content you are still not finished and how many days have you missed. Once you've finished and published your content, click on the checkbox, and it will automatically remove from here. You can check out the content you've published here. Now, let's talk about metrics. This section helps you keep track of social media, your progress, just as how many subscribers you aim for or how many followers you dream. Just change the amount in the current and target. It will show you the progress of your social media growth and how far you are from your goals. This is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't. Knowing your numbers is key to growing your online presence, and this section makes it easy to keep everything in one place. One of the best things about this Notion template is that it's fully customizable. For example, if you want to add a section for sponsorships or collaborations, you can easily do that. This template is meant to grow with you, so feel free to tweak it according to your needs. And that's it. You now have a powerful content manager right at your fingertips. With this Notion template, managing your content creation process is going to be a breeze. Remember, you can get this template for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.